Hello light travelers, today we're taking a quick hands-on kind of review of the Blitzwolf BW-S11, which is a 30-watt Type-C power delivery charging brick which offers Quick Charge 3.0. Also be sure to check out the video description or my website for the 15% off discount code. When I initially saw images of this charger, I kind of assumed that it also doubled as a power bank, which could be used to charge cell phones or laptops whilst not plugged in. However, it is actually more of an all-in-one charging brick, which theoretically replaces your need to bring multiple electronic chargers. For example, I could bring only this BW-S11 with me on my trip and use it to charge my USB-C enabled smartphone or my MacBook directly with a single USB-C cable. There's also a regular USB Type-A output, so you can charge up to Quick Charge 3.0 with it. You can also use both ports at the same time, which is very handy, and it does feel very high quality and very durable. In my testing, I've mainly been using the USB Type-A port with a wireless charger and also the USB-C to charge my MacBook Pro. In both cases it worked perfectly fine with no problems. As I charged it for my MacBook though, I did notice that it charged a bit more slowly than the regular MacBook Pro 61 watt brick. So it's about half the speed, but it also includes an extra USB output to charge an extra device. Overall, it's a great charging adapter and a very good price and with a very good build quality too. And I would definitely suggest checking this out, especially if you're looking for a kind of an all-in-one charging solution, or even if you just want to carry less power bricks. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.